Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gurney. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I'm gonna go ahead and renew my front garden pots. So as you guys may know, I posted a video renewing my garden pots for fall, but I will be renewing them once more because I got a few great things. So as you can see here, so right here I have 5 bags of soil ready to be transformed here. I have, for the first time, I have some evergreen interest, which these are junipers that will be going on these 3 main pots. Has a few more plants here that will go in the smaller pots. And from the Growing Colors company, I came out with the Arizona Apricot Gaillardia and the Berry Smoothie Heuchera. I don't know if I'm going to be using this, just for reference. If I do end up using these, I will be putting them, and a Spoma plant. So the thing I'm going to go ahead and do is take all of these out, and hopefully I'll be able to save most of these plants here because they're basically new, except this one mum. Die. So yeah, so I will be doing all of this. It'll be great, it'll be amazing. So my plan, because I have other plans to do, meaning like the pots in front of the house, I'm also trying to tackle today. So the thing I'm gonna do is finish this project up. So I'm gonna show you like sort of like a before and then after moment, like sort of like show you guys the before and then do the project and then show you the after, because I'm starting to time crunch a bit, because today is Sunday, October 10th, and today is the day we are announcing the Purple Power seed collection from the Territorial seed company giveaway winner. So yeah, so that's actually at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm trying to fit all of this in a few hours. But yeah, but as once more, this video will be coming out Monday maybe. So it's pre-recorded basically. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, I also got these wishbone flowers right here, which are pretty, but they will not be used over there. Though they might be used in the front of the house with purple and all of that, but who knows. That will be left for in front. So let me actually go ahead, do the whole project, and then show you guys the aftermath of everything. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I post a new exciting sprouting video just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.